Today is Wednesday, February 2, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Columbus. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 37 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 97%. You can expect 18.28 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 11 miles per hour. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning. What heavy mixed precipitation possible? Total snow. Accumulations of 3 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 mph. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana and central and west central Ohio. When? From Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: wind chills will likely fall to near below 0 degrees Friday and Friday night. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. Next up, storm packing heavy ice, snow bears down on central U.S. Reuters. February 1. Reuters: a major winter storm is expected to wallop much of the central United States on Tuesday, bringing heaving snow, freezing rain and ice, the National Weather Service NWS said. Next up, Lionel Richie cancels European tour shows due to COVID. Reuters. Lionel Richie introduces Clarence Avant during the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction ceremony in Cleveland, Ohio, U.S. October 30, 2021. Reuters. Galen Morse, London, February 1. Reuters U.S. Wow. I have no opinion at all, but SeaWorld offers to buy Cedar Fair for $3.40 BLN. Source: Reuters. February 1. Reuters. SeaWorld Entertainment Inc. N has offered to buy amusement park operator Cedar Fair LP Fun, N for $3.40 billion, according to a source familiar with the matter. In our next story, there are election reforms that both Democrats and Republicans seem to like. Residents wait in line to vote outside of the Tippecanoe Branch Library on October 20, 2020 in Milwaukee, Wisc. That's it, Ohio. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).